7 reasons why your factory refused to do the quality inspection. 1. There is no quality inspection requirement from the very beginning when you're ordering with factory, so they refuse to do the inspection. 2. Quality is poor. 3. Your factory is a trading company. They not want you to find the truth and get in touch with factory, because you maybe skip them and order with factory directly in next order. 4. Low or no profit from this order. They don't want to continue this order and don't want to waste time and money on the order to arrange inspection. 5. Your product is hot selling, which factory can sell to other buyers with better price, or they really no ready goods, or they just not have time for inspection. 6. Price increasing by the reasons like raw materials increasing, shipping freight increasing, exchange rates changed, made the factory not able to continue the order, so they have to refuse the inspection temporarily. 7. Factory treats you as an unimportant client, and they thought this may be the last order for cooperation, or just because of your order is really small and they don't think it's worth for inspection. Thank you.